Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and today we will be unboxing the Samsung A50. This is the front of the box where you get a glimpse of the phone. The top and right side is blank. The left has the text Samsung Galaxy A50. The bottom has the model and color of the phone. On the back you have its specs. You can pause and read it. Let's get this opened. After removing the top cover, you are greeted with the device. Let's put that to the side for now and look at the accessories. Here is the fast charger, the USB Type-C cable, the SIM ejection pin is tucked away beneath the accessories, and finally, here is the earbuds, and yes, the phone has a headphone jack. Also tucked away in the top cover, you have another box. Here we have the included gel case for the phone, a quick start guide, and warranty card. Finally, let's take a look at the phone itself. First impressions, this phone feels premium. And take a look at that paint job. This reminds me of the Huawei P30, a more subtle and darker color shift. This is the black variant. Specs wise, this phone has a octa-core CPU, 4GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. On the back, you have the triple camera array which includes a 25MP primary lens, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, a 5MP depth sensor, and a LED flash. On the right, you have the power and volume buttons. On the bottom, you have the headphone jack, a USB Type-C port, a microphone port, and a speaker grill. On the left, you have the SIM and micro SD card tray. This is what the phone looks like with the case installed. The front of the phone has a 25MP lens for selfies. The screen is a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus panel. This specific model is dual SIM compatible. All in all, if you're in the market for a mid-range phone with a good set of cameras, a bright and color-accurate screen once tweaked, with overall decent day-to-day performance while being in a good price bracket, I highly recommend you check this out. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Shout out to Wendy for letting me unbox her phone. Please like, share, subscribe and let me know in the comments below. What is your favorite mobile game?